So here today we have for sale Vision Research Phantom v711. I'm going to be in this video showing you a little bit about this camera, the software interface, how the camera works, its strengths, as well as some limitations with this specific camera. Notably, it has some lines that appear in the image. So I'll be clicking through some menus to show you the UI, and at the end of the video you'll see a little footage taken with this camera that we took here in the shop. So this image that it currently shows is a live feed from the camera itself. I can move it around a little bit. It's aimed at our banner over there, and show the camera itself a little bit. Included with the camera is this desktop PC preloaded with the software, as well as some of the connecting cables. So I'm going through some of the sample rates right now. I'm not going to go to a super high sample rate just yet because we don't have the amount of light aimed at that display to actually show a good high-speed image right here on the camera. It'll start getting really dark, and when it does, you'll start to see those lines come out a little more. They're high contrast, they're kind of blue color, but it depends on the light, the white balance, what color those lines actually are. So that's at 5,000 frames per second. And we can go all the way up, and you can barely make out that banner still. But that's 7,500 frames per second at full resolution. It can actually go just a little bit higher if you type it in. I think 7530 is its limit. So you can see the histogram up top there. If I put the lens cap on, you can see those lines really well. Histogram pretty much blank there because the lens cap's on. But you can see they extend almost exactly halfway down the image. And so one way around this, if you don't want those lines in your eventual image, or if that's going to be an issue, is you can go through some of these adjustments to the image, and you can change their color, or you could just crop the image to be half of the height. So then you'll have an image that's a height of 400, a width of 1280, and no lines at all. Obviously it's a bit of a workaround, but you'll see no lines as I move this camera up and down there. And the Windows machine that has the software connected, you can see some of the specifications there. If that interests you, this is the included computer. So this is the whole system. If you're interested, it does have some limitations. It's for sale currently at Lab Liquidators. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions or would like a quote. Thanks. Just a quick add-on. I was testing the frames per second of the camera, and turns out the max frames per second of this camera, it has the fast option, so it can go up to just over 1.5 million frames per second at a reduced resolution. You get a bunch of resolutions to pick from. And you can see those lines still exist. And you start to see that poster come in again. And there's the image back.